Burger Rippy over at the Scooter Show, Portland, Indiana, checking us out. How you doing, honey? How you been? You want to go to Arizona? Yeah. Check her out. She's a staff. You'll never have me. Little Ford Transit Connect. Man, it's so much cooler over here. We'll see what we can get into real quick over here in Portland. A parts bike and parts for your bike. He's got a bobber under the tent.
Ladies and gentlemen, this announcement is for the early bird ride that takes place at 1 o'clock here, 10 minutes away, and it's time to line up for it. I just got the information from Rick Gabbard, who's going to lead the ride. So
I used to have one of them.
proceed to the lineup.
South Carolina registration. There's a 1200 on her.
Thank you.
Worth every penny. I
bet you won.
I used to have that Yamaha one. That's worth every penny. Yeah.
74. Yeah. I found that out here a couple years ago.
Nice. Does a parade go by here?
Yep.
Thank you. And then this one was always in the advertisements later. These are getting up there, 2,000 for that guy from the 80s. It's all there too. And with Honda, where I'm from, those guys, they get pretty competitive about their Honda stuff. If they want to. And the Airstream, went by the Airstream today. Wow, that's a big ass trailer for just one axle, isn't it? Wow, it's huge. Ginormous, nice shape. Seen this guy go by earlier. And there's that fold-up Honda. It's rebadged Kit Kat. Yeah, beautiful show bike. You'd think these guys would be up here lining up for the parade. Gyro mat. See, that guy folds up in the briefcase. A custom, I'm gonna say, I don't know. And those bikes cost like 2,000, and you can't get parts for them. You have to make your own parts. Now this is kind of the first one that he's got all these, you know, have we seen any of those? And then those jugs, I seen some of them out to the curb on the way over here for free for the taking. And I seen some other free stuff, propane tank, and I was like, I don't want to ride clear to Indiana with that propane tank I found for free. I didn't need one, but you can get $3 out of them in a heartbeat at a flea market. It's a 20-pound propane canister, and there he is. He's going to the parade. And these guys have I don't know if they would call them 40-pound, but I don't think I'd want those. They're just too heavy. Or I don't know. I've never had to deal with that stuff. But this one just comes in under 5. It looks like it's pretty tip-top shape too. Check this one out. It's a sidecar. I say 3,500, 5,000. 2 horsepower, 2.5 horsepower. It comes Like a brand new engine, just, you know, really detailed restoration there. Yep. You want 5. If you want her, you gotta have 5.
Oh, yeah?
Check it out.
In Charleston?
Yeah, I hung up the whole hell I had for Southern Ohio.
These guys are from West Virginia.
Did you ever sell to Gibbons?
So I found stuff like that on the curb. Can't afford to have someone work on them. A smart, nice Toyota truck back here. He just got his regular toy belt out here. Yeah, that's where they have the tag sale. Normally for the tractor show. It's a funny looking exhaust. I'll take 50 bucks for it. ATV tires for 25 bucks a piece. It's a crazy looking Forest River thing. V-nose. Here's that brown Rip that guy was working on, or one like it. Roadster 2. Collection of Rups. The Speedway was built right there with Rupp in Mansfield. And he's got a big door in the back, a big single door that folds. Salem ice cabin. That's nice. Kind of unique. Pirelli rubber. $800 on her. Yeah, I didn't see a yellow Speedway 125. I haven't seen one since the 80s, and it was $4,000. But thanks for watching, everybody. Go Rippy, Portland, Indiana.